Welcome to AI Finance Lab, your ultimate guide to unlocking the power of artificial intelligence for financial success. In this video, we'll show you how to make $100 a day effortlessly using AI-driven strategies. Get ready to embark on a lucrative journey where AI technology works for you around the clock. Let's dive in. The AI advantage. Before we jump into the strategies, let's understand why AI is a game changer in the quest to make $100 a day. AI technology brings unparalleled advantages to the table, enabling automation, data analysis, and intelligent decision-making. It's like having a super-powered virtual assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, analyze market trends, and identify profitable opportunities for you. Imagine having a tool that can process vast amounts of information in seconds, adapt to changing market conditions, and make data-driven decisions. That's the power of AI. Whether you're exploring the finance, e-commerce, or marketing industry, AI algorithms can give you a competitive edge by uncovering hidden trends, predicting customer behavior, and identifying potential revenue streams. AI-powered trading bots is the first strategy to make $100 a day with AI. These intelligent algorithms can analyze market data, execute trades, and generate profits on your behalf. Let me guide you through the process of selecting a reliable platform, setting up your trading bot, and optimizing your trading strategy. Along the way, I'll share real-life success stories of individuals who have achieved consistent daily earnings using AI-driven trading bots. Mark is a seasoned trader who has been using AI-powered trading bots for several years. With a daily average of $500 in earnings, Mark has transformed his trading activities and achieved financial independence. Samantha, a working professional with limited trading experience, successfully set up her trading bot and optimized her strategy. She now earns an average of $200 a day, providing her with additional financial stability. Alex, a part-time investor with a passion for technology, consistently makes $300 a day through automated trading, enabling him to pursue his dreams and invest in other opportunities. AI-driven content creation, another exciting avenue to make $100 a day. AI-powered tools can help you generate high-quality articles, videos, or social media posts in a fraction of the time. I'll guide you step by step on how to leverage AI for content creation, from writing assistants to automated video editing tools. I'll also share real-life examples of successful content creators who have monetized their content using AI technology. AI-enhanced freelancing can enhance your freelance earnings and attract higher-paying clients. I'll show you how AI can streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and help you land more profitable projects. Discover AI tools for project management, content editing, and client communication. Let technology handle the repetitive tasks while you focus on delivering high-quality work. Congratulations! You've learned the step-by-step process to make $100 a day effortlessly using the power of AI. By leveraging AI-driven trading bots, AI-powered content creation tools, and AI-enhanced freelancing platforms, you're on your way to achieving your financial goals. Remember to stay informed about the latest developments in AI technology and explore new possibilities. Subscribe to AI Finance Lab for more insightful videos and actionable strategies to excel in the world of AI-driven income generation. Now it's your turn to take action and start making $100 a day with AI. Let's unlock your earning potential together and pave the way for a prosperous future.